Hello all my nail art enthusiasts. In this video I'll be sharing you with this beautiful floral nail art which uses one stroke technique. So let's get started. Here I have a bluish teal nail polish number 922 by Candy Moyo, which I got from the Dollar Tree store. And it is a very nice formula. It spreads very easily and it dries fast. So I applied 2 coats of it and it has a glossy finish. Now to do this nail art, I'm going to apply this matte top coat, which is by Essie Matte About You. It dries very quickly. Now I have acrylic paints here. It's pink and yellow, which I took on a flat tip brush, and I have links of all the products I've used in the description box. Now I'm going to swipe it in a teardrop shape so that it gives me a gradient looking petal. I'm doing a 3-petal flower. You can do a 5-petal flower. So this is very easy and it looks very nice. So our first coat is done. Now I'm going to apply it one more time to intensify the color. Now I'm just going to add the dots. That's it. Our nail art is done. I hope you find this useful and learn something from it. If you did, make sure to give a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time with another simple nail art video. Till then, bye bye.